mean, I'll just tell one story. I mean, I didn't go to class a lot at Penn. What I used to do is go down to the local brokerage firm, and I would stand outside, no matter what the weather was, big glass, and watch the ticker tape go across. And so I'd be out there every day, and eventually they invited me in to sit with the brokers. And so I
literally, they just saw this guy outside looking at the ticker
every
tape,
day.
bring that kid in.
And yeah, bring him in. Like, let's see out there every day for us. So, in fact, I'll take it a step further. Getting involved and looking at the markets and looking at the ticker tape started when I was 12, 13 years old. Because there was a precursor to CNBC, and it used to be on market hours. So obviously I had to go to school. But when I was off on vacation and maybe I'd miss a day at school, I'd just watch it all day long. And there was a local brokerage firm that was downtown, in downtown Great Neck, and they'd have a front row theater seats, and every chance I get, during the summer or whatever, I'd go down there and sit there, and actually got a job next to the brokerage firm, so I could then go in and see what's going on.
Wow.
Yeah.
So while you were at Wharton and you're looking at ticker tape, were you making money as an investor?
Yeah, actually, I'll tell you another ridiculous story. My father puts my tuition in my checking account at the beginning of the year. So what do I do with it? I don't pay the tuition, I'm trading it. And I didn't make any money, but didn't lose any money. And I went to get my diploma at the end of the year, and they said, we'll give it to you, it'd be nice if you pass.
And so were there no painful learning lessons in that period? Did you kind of get killed on a position, or was there?
Oh yeah.
What was something that you remember that you really learned about trading?
We were buying options in some energy company or something, and betting on some exploratory well, and that well ended up.
And this was just on your own, or you had like a little group of friends?
We're at Wharton. You got to remember that these guys are.
I went to Wharton. I wasn't doing any of this stuff.
Well, we were. we were,
Right.
and there was a group, in my fraternity, and we'd literally sit there every day, read every paper we could, and that's what we did. I got more. I learned more from reading the Wall Street Journal and other publications than I did actually in the classes that I took. Specifically on the markets.